Diz conta. Já tá? What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and today I'm telling you about our epic big walk, the 10-day hiking expedition from east to west of Madeira. We've been hiking for the last couple of days, and I want to take you back to show you how epic and how amazing it's been so far. So, you ready? Just checked into On Track Hostel. What do you think, babe?
It's good.
Hey, it's her first experience in a hostel. So my first experience in a hostel in Madeira. So super happy.
That's your first experience.
So we're gonna park off the bags. We're gonna start the fire.
I'll hold them if you want to serve.
There you go. Stay tuned, because very soon there's going to be loads of epic Madeira photos and videos here on this channel. So we'll see you guys soon. There she is, the leader of the group. Yeah. Right guys, we've just kicked off. So we've been hiking for about 30 minutes. Unfortunately, it's a bit cloudy, but we're all having a good time. The group is flowing really nicely, and everyone is enjoying the hike so far. So yeah, behind me is the eastern side, the peninsula, and the idea is in the course of the next 10 days, we're gonna discover Madeira from east to west. The whole thing, all of it, all the good stuff. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this little adventure, and we are trying something a little bit new here, so please don't hate me if it doesn't come out well. There it is, today's sunrise. The sunrise. This particular hike is what we call the challenge hike. So this year we did 2 hikes. This is a 10-day hike across the island, and the challenge is exactly what it says on the box. It's a little bit more challenging, it's a little bit cheaper, it's a little bit more rustic, a little bit rougher. There's some camping and things like that, which you guys are going to see later in the video. But we've just made it up to pretty much the hardest part of the first day. So now we're heading down. We're going to start our way down into Porto da Cruz. Everyone's doing really well. We did great time. So yeah, kicking off the big walk with a great start. I'm excited. Yeah, nice.
gelo, que os quiserem deitar gelo, deitam. Faz bem, e que a gente brinca com isto, mas faz bem.
I hope you guys are enjoying this raw vlogging. Andrea is probably hating my my shots with my iPhone, but anyway, it's day 2. So today's a nice flat easy walk from Portela to Ribeiro Frio. First we have to do these little steps. As you can see, the Levada is here already. You know. So far the big walk is off to a great start, and yeah, time for us to do a nice flat easy walk on the way to Chão das Fronteiras, where we're going to be doing some camping. Should be epic. I hope so. It's a bit cloudy, so I'm a little bit worried about the clouds, but hopefully everything's gonna be just okay. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this, and I promise that we'll have Andrea back with the nice camera as soon as possible. Just arrived at the waterfall. There it is. Just thought it was a good joke. Jokes aside, everyone's feeling great. Everyone was a little bit worried about the tough day yesterday, I think. So people are feeling good today. They're saying it wasn't so bad. So we're almost done. Over here we're gonna get some poncha and we're gonna head off to the campsite. Sight.
And it has begun.
It has begun, yeah, there you go. Woo-hoo.
Colombia. But these are when
One environment, another environment.
Yeah, these kinds of places for me, it's a dangerous place. So we've found our first traffic situation over here. It's a small path. Hey, they're gonna walk ahead of us. Look at this, so cute, so cute. There's the campsite. We walk in a couple of hours. We're feeling good, eh? Yeah. Life is good.
Yep.
So we're looking down on the south coast, down there, and we can actually see São Martinho, the church of São Martinho in Funchal. That is the church I told you about with the priest with the empty book. Can you see there?
Yeah. The white.
How are we doing so far, guys?
You know, if you did Montserrat,
Montserrat?
Well,
yeah,
Yeah? It's like this?
you can definitely do this one.
Okay, perfect. We're arriving at our first point of interest, which is this place called Poço de Neve. It means the snow well. Well is in the place where you get water. So let's get up close so I can explain. There it is, the snow well. Hello! Woo! You can see, it's quite deep inside here. Okay, look at the view. There is Funchal down there. The whole reason why I wanted to do this particular hike is because of this place, because of the snow well, Poço de Neve. Because this is where they used to keep the snow and the ice in Madeira, and people used to come from Funchal down there, all the way down there, to hike up here, to get ice, to then run back down. And these are the stories we hear of our ancestors who used to walk all over the island, and they used to hike all over the island. And very often I've tried to create paths on the big walk that have to do with our history, so you have some kind of something to hold on to and remember, wow, people used to do this before in those days. And this is what I find so interesting about this place. Nowadays, the generations of nowadays are a little bit softer, except for these people.
We are soft too.
But we are having a great time, and we are almost at Pico do Arieiro, so I think this was a pretty good idea. So we're taking a little break, we're gonna have some water, relax a little bit, and then we will head off to the final stretch to Pico do Arieiro, where we'll take another break and then get ready for the final part of the hike. So yeah, happy days. So we made it. Guys, remember, if you're going camping, please ask for a permit. We are not illegal campers. It's illegal to camp, just wild camping, so get a permit or whatever. And yeah, now it's time to take a little break. We made it to Pico do Arieiro. Feeling good. We're gonna have a cold Coca-Cola. We're gonna take off the shoes maybe for a little bit, and then we're gonna carry on going. Day 3, we made it. We just had sunset at Pico Goivo and it was absolutely amazing, but unfortunately we were filming live on YouTube, which was quite tough. We had some technical issues, and there was a couple of paunches at the end of the hike that kind of had us mumbling and jumbling. So thank you. I appreciate all the love from all of you. I appreciate all the love from the people who have actually come out to do this hike. So thank you, Melanie, Grover, Olga, Simon, Kate, and Ian, and of course Elisa, right, for keeping everything together, because she's the only sane person in this group. We're all crazy at Hit the Road Madeira. We still don't know where this video is going, but we have arrived at the house, so it's time to get our mountain shelter on. I believe that Elisa is cooking dinner, and this year it's a little bit different because we're a little bit backwards on this big walk, but it's been absolutely awesome. So I believe there is tuna and potatoes on the potato big walk of 2023. So we're very excited. We're gonna go eat some potatoes. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Let's hit the road.